Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be all about how you can look really amazing as a wedding guest. So we all have one or other of these lockdown weddings to go, and when you are a guest at a really small function, you want to look your best. And I also understand that during this time it's not very easy to go to a parlor and get ready, or even call a makeup artist and get ready. So today I have this very simple and easy makeup look that anybody can do within like maybe 30 minutes at max, and you can very well get ready and look amazing. So let's get into the video and check this look out. So the very first thing that you need to do is to wash your face and then go for a serum. So I'm using the Saint Botanica Hyaluronic Acid Serum with vitamin C and E. I have been using this for quite some time, and this one is a really good serum. I just take it in my palms, warm it up, and then just pat it on my skin. When I am doing wedding makeup, I just don't tend to do a lot of your heavy creams, because that tend to already make my face so cakey and so heavy. So I like to do a hyaluronic acid serum that is moisturizing and at the same time just keeps my skin dry. Now when it comes to hair for this wedding season, I always tend to go for something that has open hair in it, and for that I usually use the Livon serum, because on these days you tend to wash your hair. So after that I use the Livon serum to control my frizz and everything in my hair, and after that I just detangle my hair and I'm good to go. Once you're done with your hair, your earrings, the last and final thing that I always do as a touch-up is mascara. Mascara is something that pumps up your look from 0 to 100, so it is really important that you use it when you're going for some special occasion or something like that, because that will take your look from 0 to 100 for sure. And mascara is one thing that we all forget. Like, I forgot it while I was doing my makeup, but now I remember it, so I just apply it. So that is it for my makeup, and I decided to wear these huge earrings, a basic dupatta, a palazzo and a top. So here is my outfit, you can check it out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it, share it with all of your friends who have to attend a lockdown wedding and have to look their best. So this video will be really helpful for them. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.